So this is the Mind Reader. It holds 30 of these Keurig cups, 5 across, 6 back. There's a whole extra row back there that you can't really see. We have used this thing for quite a while with our Keurig and have absolutely loved it. It has never had an issue getting cleaned. These never get stuck, and as you can see, we use great value and not even real Keurig cups, but we have bought real Keurig cups and those weren't an issue either. And to be honest, depending on which Keurig model you have, this thing is truly perfect. So like this model here, this is a Keurig Supreme with the 5-stream technology. It fits on here very well. Even the one we had before fit on here very well. Almost any of them will fit on this base very well. And just really an all-around good Keurig and stand for your Keurig.